Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine. May God keep us protected. Welcome to Rise and Shine Public School, Class 6, Subject Computer, Chapter number 2, Part 2, and the name of the chapter is Working with Windows. In this lecture, we will learn working with the Windows. How can we work with the Windows? In this regard, we will learn the use of the mouse. As we all know that the most important input device is mouse. It is used to interact or it is used to communicate with the computer in Windows environment. A mouse usually has the three buttons. Number one, left buttons. Number two, right button. Number three, scroll wheel, which is used to move through the document while we are working. Now let's discuss some of the function of the mouse. Number one, pointing. Pointing while working on the computer, a arrowhead appears. This arrowhead is called the pointer, and this is used to point towards an object. This process of pointing using the arrowhead is called the pointing. Clicking, depressing the left hand button and releasing it is called a clicking. Depressing means pressing the button and then releasing it. This is called the clicking. Double clicking, pressing the left hand side button quickly. This process is called the double clicking. Right clicking means clicking the right hand button on once on an object or on a program. This is called the right clicking. After right clicking, a menu appear and we have to select some option from the appearing menu. Dragging, clicking and holding down the left hand mouse button and removing the mouse in some direction is called the dragging. This was a quick overview of the working with the mouse. We will inshallah learn more about it in the lab activity. Now next we will move how can we open a program from the certain location. There are three ways of opening a program from a certain location. Number one is opening a window program from the desktop. As we have read in the start of this chapter, we can add small pictures or icon on the desktop. We can open the program from this in the following way. Number one, point the mouse at the application or program you want to open. Double click now and the application open. This was the first way of opening from the start menu. Of opening from the desktop. Now there is another way. Now let's discuss it. Uh, just right click on the program you want to open. A menu open, select the option open and the menu will be open or the program will be open. The next method is opening a window program from the start button. Start button is the button at the left hand side of the computer. What we will have to do, we have learned the desktop element. So but for opening the program from the start menu, what we will do, we will press the start button. A menu appear. The menu after pressing the start button is called the pop-up menu, as it appears in the upward direction. From this menu you will select the option all programs. You will select the what option, all programs, and other menu appear. This is called the sub menus. From this sub menu you will select the option accessories. Suppose we want to open calculator, so what we will do, we will select the accessories. Another menu appears. This menu after which appear after pressing the accessories is called cascading menu. From this menu you will select the program calculator and your calculator will be displayed on the screen. This was the way of opening a program from the start menu. Another way of opening a program from the search box. In order to open a program through a search box, follow this step. In the search box, this is a box right above the start menu. Just what you have to do, just write the name of the program in this search box and your program will be open. Now let's discuss window and its component. As you can see, these three windows, basically window is a rectangular area in which we can view application, folder, bars or icon. There are many components of the windows. Now let's discuss them one by one. Keep this window of the calculator in your mind, and your work will be easier. Now let's discuss title bar. As the name suggests, the top on the top of the window, the name of the program with a small icon is mentioned. This bar is called the title bar. Menu bar, the second bar which is right below the title bar, is called the menu bar. It gives a variety of it is in the form of the pop down menu. As we select the option, a pop down menu opens, a menu opens in the downward, and we can select the menu of our choice. Next is the toolbar. This bar is usually just below the menu bar. It has many buttons that perform different functions in the open application. Next is the status bar. As the name suggests, this bar tells us about the status of the running program. Next is the scroll wheel. Scroll wheel or scroll bar is in the form of the bar which is used. It is a horizontal bar on the bottom of the bottom above the status bar. These bar help us to scroll or move or navigate our work up and down from right to left. Next are the window control button. Basically, these are the three buttons which are used to control the windows. Let's discuss them one by one. Number one, maximize or restore button. As the name suggests, this is a rectangular shape button. As the name suggests, this is used to maximize, expand or enlarge the window, or it is used to reduce or smaller the window in size. Once we press, the window expands or get enlarged, or second time when we press this button, the window gets smaller. Next is the maximize button. This button is on the left of the maximize button. Minimize button is on the left of the maximize button. When you click it, it reduces the window to the taskbar. If you want to open the window again, you will press on the taskbar button to open the application again. The last button is the close button. It is in the form of the cross shape. A cross shape. If you click it, the application closes. Now you see no button for that program on the taskbar. That was a quick overview of the how can we open a program and the element of the window. That's all from my side. I hope you have understand what we have read. Thank you so much.